Hey, what up guys, I'm Sousse here. In today's video to show you my trip to Sousse, Tunisia. As you can already tell, it's quite loud. I hope the mic can pick it up. Anyway, Tunisia. Rather small country, so hopefully I can show you multiple cities during my stay. So maybe there'll be different parts. Okay, they stopped playing. And you know, going forward, I want to change a few things. First of all, I want to talk a bit more about the food and show you more food. Usually I usually don't do the food part in my videos, but I guess it's very important when going to different countries and continents, that is. So going forward, I want to show you that, and I want to talk a bit more about money, which is also important when traveling. You know, the different currencies, how much can you get out of your euro, out of your USD. So going forward, I want to talk about that as well. So hopefully we'll have a lot of fun in Sousse. So this is where the music was coming from. I was in a similar car situation, I guess, in Greece. I think it just takes you through different parts of the city, and I guess there is entertainment as well. So as you can tell, this is all right next to the beach. I don't think this is like downtown Sousse per se, but I guess a very popular part of the city. So in Greece, I think it was called the Happy Train. Here it is, Petit train Touristique. I'm not sure how long this is, but people seem to be enjoying it quite a bit. You know, the vibes of the train are very positive. When a car passes, for example, some of them, you know, so the beat, I guess, hum. And even the pedestrians, some of them like start dancing. It's a very positive experience for like tourists. So there's no guide on the train, just music, and it shows you around, but it makes sense if you want to visit places later. This is a way you can know interesting places, maybe interesting restaurants, so it's a good idea to take this train. So let's talk a bit about money. The local currency in Tunisia is the Tunisian dinar, and even though the euro is not doing so hot right now, I still get for 1 euro like 3.16 dinar, let's just say 3.2. And to put that in perspective, for 0.8 dinars, I get like a big bottle of water, so it's still rather good, even though the euro is not that strong. So another thing that will be interesting is the language. Coming into Tunisia, you'll quickly realize that their main languages are Arabic and French. So let's see how far my English can get me in Tunisia. So I'm trying to get a haircut, need a trim. Didn't find any barber, I believe, where I was. So I just keep looking. Je vais faire une vidéo, c'est pas un problème? Merci. So how do I look? And here comes the shocking part. All of that, you know, with the washing, with the drying, was 8 dinars, man. 8. That isn't even 3 euros. The last time I got a haircut in Germany, I think, was 2016. Back then I used to pay like 10 euros. It's closer to something like 20 now. So, you know, crazy. 3 euros. Crazy, man. Alright, I finally found downtown Sousse, or Medina of Sousse, or Centre-Ville, depending on the language. Shoutouts to Google Maps. So there's a few things in the Medina of Sousse. There is at least one museum, there's a mosque, and there is the souk, In Turkey it's called bazaar, here it's souk. So let's check that out. For all ages, Flappy Sousse. Oh, it's a 3D museum. Augmented reality experience. Sounds interesting. In Turkey, they really tried to, the hustlers were working, not necessarily that they were scamming me, there were scammers, but you know, buy this, buy that, one shirts, one jeans. I don't know if that will be the case here. In Turkey, I didn't have the camera in my hand for most of the time. Here it will be in my hand, so let's see if they try to finesse or try to get me to buy something. So nothing spectacular, the souk experience, narrow pathways, and it was funny. I had the camera rolling for quite a few minutes. It was cool, but the second, you know, I dropped the camera, I got, you know, many hustlers were trying to get me to buy something. Someone grabbed me by the shoulder, you know, but nothing that piqued my interest. So there is a port right next to the souk. It looks like industrial only, but I looked at Google Maps and apparently there's also water tours, so let's check it out. That's gotta feel good, man, to row in this weather. So we finally have info. Swimming, fishing, animation, food, drink. So I guess it's not like a small tour, but like a whole day event. Merci.
Non, non.
Merci, merci.
Non, non.
Merci, merci, merci. Ah, là, là.
Non.
Merci, merci. One of those hustlers, you know. Merci, merci. Merci, merci, non, 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 merci, merci. Merci, 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 merci. Merci bien. Merci bien. Merci bien. Yeah, that's what I was trying to tell you, the hustlers. So that's the basic trick. You say no, but the actual tech is not to walk away. You say thank you, you keep being friendly, but don't stop, you know. But, you know, I was reading, man, you kind of got me, unfortunate. All right, I'm in Kantaoui. Many restaurants, the theme park, and I read about the popular port. Let's find that one. Look at all the stray cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not over. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This seems to be a hotspot. The entrance of the port. There's a tourist shopping gallery. Looks very old school. I've read that it's quite expensive to park your yacht here and your ship, but I guess that's no issue if you have a yacht. So let's check it out. Ships for days, and I can already see catamaran tours. Seem to be, look at that, way more tours than at the port in the Medina. And of course restaurants, coffee shops, all of that goodness. Little crab. More gift stores, more coffee shops. And I guess you can have your name in Arabic for 1 dinar. Look on the floor, there's an Acqua Palace. Now that sounds like fun.
Uh-oh. I've never done one of these.
So this is still Kantaoui. This is the other side where there's just a huge beach. I don't want to record too many people, but there's fun activities like parachuting, well, to a certain extent behind the boat, right? Jet skiing, as you see in the far. So let's see what I'll go with. Yep. Wow. To be fair, I thought someone was going to be behind me, along like a constructor type of situation. I'm totally alone, and I'm fine with it. Can you see the parachute? Ah, this is a beauty, man. I'm very intrigued how the landing is going to be. Voila! Oh, the current is quite strong. So one jet ski session was like 10 minutes, 15 minutes give or take, and a tour is 60 dinars. Once again, total steal. I believe I recorded this part during the train ride. This is basically this long strip of like hotels, many tourists walking around, and as you can tell, there is a place for some bowling, so let's check that out. Good vibes only. We also have this little arcade situation over here. So the game was 15 dinars, additional dinar for the socks. Not super cheap, but very reasonable still. It's time to eat. Found a strip with many restaurants, like fast food, sandwiches, so let's check them out. So this is a chapati. It's bread with tuna, some chili sauce, some kind of hot sauce, more hot stuff, and like an omelette, egg, right? And you put some olives as well on it. Price 2 dinar and a half, so even less than €1, maybe 80 cents, 90 cents. From what I can tell, it's a typical meal here. Oh man, it's spicy. And yeah, it makes sense. An easy lunch, easy dinner maybe even, and very, very cheap. Also have me a cup of, I believe it's lemon juice, which was 1.4 dinar. So technically a easy lunch slash dinner for around about €1, €1.10. Absolute steal. Here we go. Juicy. And just like that, that concludes my trip to Sousse. I mean, what can you say, man? What a city. If you are looking for a destination with great weather, with multiple beaches, and with fun activities like jet skiing, aqua park, stuff like that, even a theme park, and on top of that, a cheap destination, I think Sousse would be a great pick. I definitely enjoyed my stay here. But with that being said, where else do you want me to travel to next? Please let me know in the comment section. Hopefully I'll be doing exactly that in the coming weeks and months ahead. But with that being said, this was this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you guys later. With someone signing out. Peace.